I just want to make this video to first and foremost apologize for anyone that thinks I've scammed them. I'm getting emails from so many subscribers, and one in particular that wants to take me to court, basically saying that I promised them a house or a boat or a bike. And what's going on is this Telegram scammer. They're scamming and they're targeting YouTubers, and pretty much they're making fake accounts. If you go into the accounts, you can see they don't even have any subscribers at all. But they're saying you won something, just go on Telegram. And then they're saying, yeah, you won a new car, but the car has sales tax. Send me the money for the sales tax. And I really apologize for the people that are falling for this, but it's not me. I made a video about this before, but these scammers keep on going in hard, and there are a lot of subscribers that are falling for this, and I apologize so much. But I'm telling you, I will never, ever, ever message you and tell you you won something, and I'll never message you and tell you that you should give me money. You know, this channel is not about that. It's just about information and PSAs and interviews. And so I just want to apologize to all the people that felt that it was me. You know, please, if you see this Telegram, message me. Definitely report that comment per se. But I just want to make it known. I'm so sorry that this is happening to a lot of you. You guys work so hard for your money, you know, and I hate it that these scammers are taking advantage of people that, you know, just are looking for a way out. So, mother truckers, I apologize, but I just wanted to make this video again just to let you know that, yes, I'm working with YouTube on this, but it's happening to all channels. But again, I will not message you and not ask you for money ever.